Hello, everybody. This is Mac, and we're going to talk about square root basics. There's not a whole lot to talk on this sheet, so it should go pretty quickly. But I do want you to remember that all this can be found on maxtutorials.com, and liking and subscribing really helps me out. I think the first thing you need to do is just feel really comfortable with your squares. So if you're looking to memorize something, 4 squared, 5 squared, 6 squared, 7 squared, 8 squared, 9, 10. Now, these people usually do a pretty good job memorizing because it's part of, what you usually memorize in school. But I'm going to add a few more here. 13, 14, and 15. Okay, if you know these, you're going to be in really, really good shape. So let's just talk about them really quick. Okay, let me write these little equal signs. Thank you for giving me a minute. Maybe I should have prepped this ahead, but that's all right. 1 squared, 1 times 1 is 1. 2 is 4. 3, 9, 4, 16, 5, 25, 6, 36, 7, 49, 8, 64, 9, 81, 10, 100. 11 is 121, 12 is 144, 13 is 169, 14 is going to be 196, and 15 is going to be 225. If you can commit these to memory, square roots are going to be great, and you're not going to, you just need to start recognizing this. When 49 pops up, your brain should go bing, bing, that's a perfect square. When 81 pops up, oh, bing, bing, that's going to be a perfect square. That's an ugly looking 4, isn't it? That's better. Okay, so let's go. What's the square root of 49? That's 7. 196, 14. Start memorizing these. 144 is 12. 121 is 11. 225 is 15. Here's where we need to stop and think. Now I have a fraction. It's not that big of a deal. They're all underneath. You're just going to do the top and the bottom. This is going to be 6 over 11. And if you can reduce, but you can't reduce 6 over 11. Let's go to the second column. That's just going to be 5 over 8. If they're both underneath the radical, then you just do both of them, okay? Now 4, here's a tricky one. I have a negative underneath. Remember, a square root means what times what equals negative 81. Negative 9. Negative 9 times negative 9 is positive 81. 9 times 9 is positive 81. Well, do a negative 9 and a positive 9. That'll give you negative 81. Sure, but they're not the same number, so you can't do it. So whenever you see this, your answer is no solution. You cannot do a negative underneath a square root sign. Get to know that. Number 6 is just going to be 9 over 10. Number 8 is just going to be 4 over 7. This one, no solution. Okay? And then number 12, that's just going to be an 8. Now, let me ask you this. What if they did this? Negative square root of 25. Now what do you do? Well, this is okay because I can do, this is like negative 1 times the square root of 25. I can do square root of 25. That's just 5. The negative's outside, so I can go ahead and do that. So negative outside the square root, no problem. Negative under the square root, big problem, okay? So there's version A for you. So hopefully you feel really good on how square roots work. If you do, yay. If not, go to version B, and I'll see you there.